brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all
Then rescue 10-year girl. Second, hit and run. World champion legends title. Second, England will miss Anderson. Difficult to replace his rare skill.
इस विचार प्रस्तुत करने के लिए मैं कामाक्षी को चाहती हूँ।
सुप्रभात मित्रों एवं शिक्षकगण, आज का हिंदी सुविचार है कि ज्ञान एक ऐसा दीपक है जो आपके जीवन में प्रकाश फैलाता है। धन्यवाद।
Each day may not be good, but there is something good in each day. I would like to invite Himanshu from class 8 to share the important event of this day.
Morning friends, today's specialty is 15 July is celebrated as World Youth Skills Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Love surprises, we never know who will surprise us. So I would like to invite Swarali from class 5 to surprise us with amazing facts.
Good. Amazing facts are first. Kerala is the largest producer of rubber in India. Second, trees on earth are more in number than stars on the planet. Third, maximum oxygen on the earth comes from the ocean. Thank you and have a nice day.
I would like to call Shrinika from class KG1 to present Hindi poem.
Good morning, friends. My name is Shrinika Mummy Kumar Dagmar. मेरी मम्मी हमें सुना मीठे मीठे गीत गीत तुम्हारे अच्छे लगते नाचे मन का भी जब गाती तुम मीठी कितनी प्यारी लगती हो दिल तुमने खुश जब तुम्हें मीठा बुलाती हो सेकंड
The Green Revolution was a period when the productivity of global agriculture increased drastically as a result of new advances. During this time period, new chemical fertilizers and pesticides were created. The chemical fertilizers made it possible to supply crops with extra nutrients and therefore increase yield. The newly developed pesticides control weeds, destroyed or kill insects, and prevented diseases, which also resulted in higher productivity. Thank you and have a nice day.